Welcome to Board.Vision tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to annotate on documents and approvals. To annotate on documents, open the document you would like to review or annotate on. Locate the annotation toolbar. Choose the tool pen, insert text, highlighter, or add notes to start annotating the document. Annotations are saved automatically in the system. To view the original document, tap on the eye icon. To delete the annotations, use the eraser to remove any pen annotations. To delete a text, highlight or note annotation, tap on the annotation and select the trash icon to delete all the annotations. Tap on the bookmarks icon and clear all. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on how to annotate your documents and approvals. This completes the Board.Vision onboarding video series. We hope you found this video series useful. If you face any issues in completing the steps shown in this video, please reach out to our customer experience team at support@board.vision or +65 6909 7100, and we will be happy to help.